Hi guys, let's look at the solutions to exercise 12b. Again, a lot of students requested for the video on the solutions, hence this video. Let's look at this. This is exercise 12b and we are on question number 5. It says in triangle ABC, angle B is obtuse. D and E are midpoints of AB and AC. F is okay. So let me just draw a rough diagram. So this is B, angle B is obtuse and D and E are midpoints. So let's just draw this. Yeah, so this is angle A, a triangle ABC. Angle B is obtuse. D is midpoint of AB. So somewhere here is D and E is midpoint of BC. So somewhere here is BC. Good. F is a point on AC such that EF is parallel to AB. So EF is parallel to AB, something like this. So this is point E and this is point F. EF is parallel to AB. We need to prove that BEFD. Let me join FD as well then. Perfect. We need to prove that BEFD is a parallelogram. We know we can prove it to be a parallelogram if at least one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. So BEFD is parallelogram. Good, let's see what we have. Number one, what we have is AD is equal to BD is equal to half of AB. That's what's given to us. Number two is BE is equal to CE is equal to half of BC. Both of these are given. Let's see if we can apply midpoint theorem or converse midpoint theorem or equal intercept theorem. Equal intercept theorem, no, I don't have a third parallel line. Let's see. So in triangle ABC, I can see I have a midpoint and I can see a parallel line. So in triangle ABC, number 3 would be E is midpoint of BC. This is from 2. And number 4 is EF is parallel to AB. This is given. Therefore, using converse midpoint theorem, I get number 5, which is EF is equal to half of AB, and I get F is midpoint of AC. So this is the two things that I get. Let's see if EF is equal to half AB helps me in solving something. So number 7 would be, since EF is equal to half AB is equal to AD is equal to BD. This is from 1 and 5. What we get is EF is equal to BD. So EF and BD are equal. And number 9, EF is parallel to BD. This is already given. So since one pair of opposite side, in this case EF and BD are equal and parallel, therefore quadrilateral BEFD is a parallelogram. Done. Let's move on to the next question. The next question that was homework was question number 9. So it says in quadrilateral form, if the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Also, we are joining the midpoint of a quadrilateral. Let's see. So this is a quadrilateral. We are joining the midpoint. So let this be A, B, C, and D. We are joining the midpoints. Yeah. So we are joining the midpoint. Let me just finish this rough diagram. So they're saying if the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoint of adjacent sides is a rectangle, which means these four angles are 90°. This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is parallel. This side, oh, this is not parallel. This is not, it's not given to be a parallelogram. It's only a quadrilateral. Perfect, but this is a rectangle, which means this side and this side are parallel, and this side and this side are parallel. Good. Let's make the diagonals as well. We need to prove that the diagonals intersect at 90°. Perfect. So done. Let's give them some names so that it's easier for us to refer to them. Let this be point O. Let this rectangle be E, F, G, and H. And let this point be M. And let this point be N. Basically, we need to prove that angle O here is 90°. That's what we have to prove. So let's see if we can get something. But let's also mark that this side and this side is equal, right? This side and this side is equal. This side and this side is equal because these are midpoints, and BE and AE is equal. So, and we need to prove that angle DOC is equal to 90°. This is what we have to prove. So let's see. Or whichever angle DOC is equal to 90°. Done. So in triangle ADC, let's look at the triangle ADC first. We've done a question like this before. In triangle ADC, 1H is midpoint of AD, 2G is midpoint of CD. So using midpoint theorem, what I get is number 3, which is HG is parallel to AC. Done. Number 4, HG is parallel to EF also. Why? Since HGFE is a rectangle. So in a rectangle is a type of parallelogram. So which means from 3 and 4, I get HG is parallel to AC parallel to FE. So this is something that I get. If these are parallel, which means what is the angle? This angle is also 90° because this is a pair of co-interior angles. So this would be angle HGF plus angle, what this is, AMG. AMG is equal to 180°. This is sum of co-interior angles. Since these are co-interior angles, this is 180°, which means therefore angle AMG is equal to 90°. So this angle is 90, this angle is 90, and let's write that is equal to 180° minus angle HGF is equal to 180° minus 90%, since angle HGF is equal to 90%, vertex angle of a rectangle. Therefore, angle AMG is equal to 90%. So this angle is 90%. All now we need to do is get this angle as 90%. So now let's look at the triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, I have number 9, which is G is midpoint of CD. Number 10 is F is midpoint of BC. Both of this given. So using midpoint theorem, I get number 11, which is GF is parallel to BD, right? And if these are lines are parallel, which means number 12 angle GMO plus angle MOD is equal to 180 degree. Again, the same reason, which is sum of co-interior angles. So GMO we just figured out is 90 degree plus angle MOD is equal to 180 degree, which means angle MOD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect at 90 degree. Done. Let's look at the last homework question, which was question number 14. So question 14 says in triangle ABC, AD is median and DE is parallel to BA. So let's draw a rough diagram. ABC, AD is the median, which means it's dividing BC into two equal parts. So this is AD. DE is parallel to BA. Okay, so DE is parallel to BA. Done. Where E is a point on AC. Prove that BE is also the median. So we need to prove that BE is the median. Or what does proving BE median mean? Basically means that E is the midpoint of AC. That's what we have to do. So let's look at this. In triangle ABC, number one, D is midpoint of BC. Number two, DE is parallel to AB, which means using converse midpoint theorem, I get DE is equal to half of AB, and number four, E is midpoint of AC. What this means is AE is equal to CE, therefore BE is also a median since it divides AC into two equal halves. Perfect, that's about it. Thank you so much. Take care. Hope you've understood the answers to the homework questions. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.